I really hope that my sound is being recorded. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do about this. But anyways, hey YouTube, how is everybody doing? So I did not film my makeup today. It's just a simple beat, but I will be showing y'all some new products that I've been using and newer products that I've picked up recently. So first things first, whenever I go to the hair store, I always like to pick up different lashes, and I found these. I really like big, thick eyelashes like this, but I found these I Envy So Plump Supercharge Effect 3X Fuller Eye Look lashes. These are so freaking cute. I cannot wait to wear these, but I'm waiting on like a more dramatic makeup look when I wear those. Today I'm wearing that style is in IS06, so that's what this one is, and that's the back of the box. It's real cute. Then I got these I Envy 3D collection multi-angle and volume lightweight, and they are lightweight. I can't even feel them. KPEI 25, I guess is the style, or is it like 25 and number 6? Y'all, I do not know. I just don't. So I have on these lashes today, but in the style, I guess KPEI 65. Child. So the style of 25 and 65, girl. Okay, so, and for anybody wondering about my hair, it is crochet in. My nieces did my hair. My niece Nayara and my niece Destiny, they did my hair. I'm so proud of them. And I just kind of retwisted it last night at the top. Like, I just rewrapped it. But I'm kind of liking this. I've been wanting to do like a brown monochromatic look like this with some brown and black hair for the longest, so I kind of just jumped on that. The front is individuals, and then in the back is just regular crochets, but it's something quick and I can throw it up in a little messy bun. So on my eyes, I'm just wearing the it's like maybe 3 eyeshadows on my eye, but in my inner corner I'm wearing my crayon case and Glola highlight, and then I mixed from the Saharan 2 palette by Juvia's Place. I mixed these 3 golds at the top, and I just kind of topped it off with that. I also have that under my eyebrow. See that glisten right there? It's giving. On the sides here, I just have Anglola by itself. She don't play, y'all. I haven't picked up Anglola in so long. And the other day I was going through my makeup, and I'm like, I have so much makeup that just needs way more attention. So I was trying to like dig around and kind of go out of my comfort zone with my usual makeup routine and use some stuff that I haven't used in a while. Also, to some, I'll say it's a pretty old palette to some, but new to me, and I'm so excited about it. It's the Be Perfect Carnival Love Tahiti palette. So one of my recent purchases, I bought some new makeup recently. I'm gonna show y'all here in a moment, but the first thing I'm gonna show you is the Be Perfect Carnival 3 Love Tahiti palette. In conjunction with Stacey Marie. Y'all, for the life of me, somebody please tell me who is Stacey Marie, because I feel like I really need to know this. All I know is the palettes from Be Perfect that I wanted, I only wanted her palettes. Like, they just so pretty, y'all. Look at this. I know this palette is like extra old, and there's actually a 4th one out, but I don't know if I'm really interested in that one. I kind of been into like loud color makeup more than recent, but anyway, this is how the palette look. I hope I can catch that in the right light. So that's how the colors look. It's so pretty. I freaking love this. Let me know if I should do like a swatch video, but I really have been loving this. Oh, I'm wearing, along with that Juvia's Place brown, I dipped into cocoa, tan lines, and yellow. So we have cocoa right there, then tan lines, and then yellow. And they're really pretty shades. I really like those. I got that one directly from the Be Perfect website, and the ship, like on the website, you can go on there and click the option to shop with the US warehouse, and it takes maybe about a week to arrive. I would say roughly about a week, give or take. However, when I looked up this palette, y'all, that's how I really thought it was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be like way too big to even fit in my drawer, but it's like a perfect size. I really like it. And this is how it look on the inside. So it's like the perfect rainbow palette. Now, this palette here came from beautybay.com, which they have like an app that I signed up for. And the shipping took about 2.5 weeks. Now, I don't know if it took so long because it came out of the UK, but it also could have had something to do with like the holidays. You know, shipping is kind of janky around the holidays sometimes. So maybe that had something to do with why it took so long, but I was kind of expecting that anyway. But I'm just so glad that it came undamaged and everything. Y'all, the difference in these eyeshadows and the ones in the Tahiti palette, when I go on Instagram and I look at like Be Perfect, or I look at like P. Louise page and stuff like that, like these different UK brands, the makeup that these girls be doing, it just looks so vibrant and pretty. And I'm just like, okay, is it just the base alone? And I was intrigued, you know, to like test out some of their eyeshadow products. When I tell y'all the pigment is there, like it's so different, like it's so much more saturated, I put it like that. But something else though is the Beauty Bay palettes, and this is actually by Beauty Bay itself. Those eyeshadows are soft like butter. Like, I don't know, you know, I don't really know anything about making eyeshadows and stuff like that, but just the texture, just from me dealing with different eyeshadows, I'm starting to notice like a difference between this and that. And those eyeshadows are so bright and saturated and soft, like to the touch. So I can't wait to you know, dabble around in those two palettes, because I really haven't done much. I just got them, and like I said, I'm waiting on the Carnival XL Pro. That should be here probably sometime next week. I've been seeing where girls put the eyelash glue on your eyelash, like on your eyelash line, and then you put a little bit on the back of the lashes. When I tell y'all this junk stuck right on, I was like, why I ain't been knew about this? I told y'all I'd be asleep, but it's okay because I'm waking up. So I also went by Ulta and I grabbed these two products here. I got the lip liner from Juvia's Place in Cola. It's like a pretty brown, and that's what's on my lips today. It's a nice brown shade. Now, when I picked up this gloss, y'all, when I say I was too irritated, when I picked up this gloss, I was under the impression that I was gonna get something like this color up here, something like a muted, like crystally sheer pink, like, you know, something like that, because I love nude lipstick. But y'all, when I tell you I was just too upset, like, I'm gonna work with it. I tried it today, it just didn't go with my eye look, and the way that I used it, it wasn't bad, but it just was not what I was looking for. Look at this. Like, I'm pretty sure everybody know how this look by now. I just didn't even do no research. I just saw it and I grabbed it. It's really thick and really pigmented. If I had been paying attention, I could have got, because I almost got the one that said barely there, but I was a little bit concerned about that one, so I just kind of went with a pink. I was trying to stay on the safe side. But had I went with the barely there, you know, it might not have been so bad, because I do like pale nudes to kind of match my vitiligo. It looked, to me, it looked better for me to have like brighter nudes than like nude that's too dark or too pink. It just kind of, it's kind of an eyesore for me on my face. But don't hold me to it. It's not that I don't like color, which I'm gonna start buying like colored lipsticks again, maybe like pinks and purples and stuff like that. I don't know about red. I might dabble in a red here or there, but that's just really not my cup of tea. I can't stand red. What else? I also picked up from Ulta because they had a sale on their Ulta brand products, buy one get one half off, and I'm always looking for different like powders and stuff and foundation to try. So I picked up the Ulta Beauty Finishing Powder Lightweight Matte Finish. It looks like this. And then when you flip it up, it have a little mirror and a little sponge. So the shades that I picked up were Deep Neutral and Tan to Deep Warm. So this is the Tan to Deep Warm and this is Deep Neutral. And I got this one to be like an all over face powder, which I used it today. And I think it looks really nice because, you know, I love my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish, but I'm always here to switch things up as well. If I can find something that does like the same thing for a cheaper price, I'm all for that. But I probably will always go back to my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. It's just my ride or die. But I use the Deep Neutral all around. And then in the center, I used my, what is it called, y'all? My Juvia's Place Kalahari mixed with my RCMA No Color Powder. So I pressed that in, and then I put the Tan to Deep Warm Powder from Ulta on top of that, like I just brushed it in. And my makeup, y'all, it's pretty. It's real cute. And I kind of just threw this on to kind of go with that. Yes. Because why? Guria como tonight. So that's pretty much some of the products that I've been using. And I really, really have been loving them. And I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to tell your friends to become my friends so we can all be friends. Share, like, comment, and subscribe. And leave me some comments down here in this comment box below. Okay, so while I'm doing all of this rambling, y'all, I need to stop and take some pictures. I don't even know if my microphone is picking up, because when I tell you my camera is just really getting on my nerves. I can't connect it to my phone. When I connect it to my phone and then I plug it back up to my monitor, y'all, I need some tech support. I need some technical help because all of this is too much for me.